about doing the things right the first time. Doing them right when the time is right. And the time is right for electric to go Audi. There's a saying that dates back to Benjamin Franklin and his famous experiments on electricity. When you achieve something remarkable, you have caught lightning in a bottle. The collective power of our designers, our engineers, our dealers, and our customers, and have created something special, truly special. Our first fully electric car, the Audi e-tron. We want to merge the new world of electric mobility together with 100 years of experience of manufacturing premium cars. At Audi, we strive to be the trendsetters for autonomous mobility. And at Audi, we strive to take electric mobility to the next level. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. It's time to show the world exactly what we mean when we say electric has gone Audi.
Thank you. This is where Audi design stands for: technology in perfect harmony with design. We came up with the idea that a single frame is not a radiator anymore because there is no engine behind. That's why we came up with the idea, what about we invert the single frame by color to create a new look, but still a very familiar face for an Audi. This car is best in class in aerodynamic. And aerodynamics is important because it will extend the range. But there's something even more important. Imagine that there's no noise anymore from the engine. That's why you're very sensitive to hear all the wind noises. Because of this aerodynamic, it's even up to high speed levels almost quiet. It's a complete new driving experience. You have to try this.
For here in America, it's the beginning of a new chapter in a story that really began 50 years ago. In 1969, America, of course, put the first man on the moon, and Audi put a different kind of spaceship on our roads for the very first time. And when Audi has delivered on its promise of premium electric leadership, it will be proof that tonight, in fact, was only the very beginning. Thank you very, very much.
The new e-tron is an electric car without compromises, and that's also where we want to take the company to. You know, very successful companies don't make compromises. We didn't make a compromise on the e-tron, we don't want to make a compromise on Audi, and that's very special. The special thing about this car is it had all the features that other cars also have. But there's only one car that has it actually on its own, and that's the e-tron. Its design, its sportiness, it's the way we charge, it's the ecosystem. It's really great. All in one car. Electrification is a conviction of ours. It's not just having a new car. Until 2025, we'll have 20 electrified cars, of which half is full electric, half is PF. We go fully electric, not a little bit. Es ist nicht nur ein neues Produkt, aber es ist, denke ich, der Anfang von einer neuen Ära für Audi. Ja? Neue Mobilität, und wir sind gerade dabei, auch Audi irgendwo zu transformieren. Das heißt, die beiden sind eigentlich parallel. Etwas Neues. Etwas Neues für Mitarbeiter, etwas Neues für den Händler, für den Kunden. Super Produkt und ein Produkt ohne Kompromisse. Und das wollen wir auch mit Audi. Ein Unternehmen ohne Kompromisse, weil die meist erfolgreichen Unternehmen machen keine Kompromisse. Dieses Auto ist wirklich super. Es ist Quattro, es ist fully electric, lass mal so sagen. Das Auto ist so komplett wie etwas, neues Ökosystem. Ich glaube, wir haben auf nichts verzichtet. Und das macht dieses Auto sehr speziell. Es ist das erste Auto von vielen. Ja. Wenn wir auf 2025 schauen, haben wir 20 neue elektrifizierte Modelle, wovon die Hälfte ist BEV, fully electric, und die andere Hälfte ist PF. Wir geben wirklich Gas.